Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a review video on Cortizone 10 Healing Lotion for Eczema. Now you guys can check the video description for some more information on the products. So I don't have I have very minor eczema, but I get keratosis pilaris on the back of my arms, which is a form of eczema, and doctors will tell you there's really no treatment for it, unfortunately. It doesn't bother me, it's not itchy, but they're like little red bumps that tend to come out a lot, and they're not crazy noticeable, but if you look very closely at my skin you could see them, and it kind of just feels like chicken bumps. So that's what they call it like chicken skin, but it's keratosis pilaris. So yes, it's a form of eczema, and then every once in a while I'll get a little breakout of eczema on my leg. So basically I was prescribed Eucrisa for it by my doctor, and I just felt like it's a prescription which can be expensive depending on what insurance you have, and I feel like it wasn't really doing a lot for me. So my friend actually recommended this to me, the Cortizone 10 eczema cream. So I said, okay, let me give it a try. It's worth it. Cortizone 10 is a great product. I use their cortisone cream when I get bug bites and things like that. So it's a healing lotion for eczema, has fast lasting relief for itchy, dry skin. This is a clinical strength that has vitamins A, C, and E, and 7 intensive moisturizers. And it is 3.5 ounces. So I have to say, it doesn't cure eczema, but like the little patch I have on my leg that was itchy is definitely better, and it's certainly not as noticeable as it was before. So I think it makes the eczema less noticeable, and it takes away any of the itchiness, and I've just been using it. I make sure I exfoliate the back of my arms really well, the keratosis pilaris, and then after the shower I put this on, and I have to say it's really been helping. It's been helping me a lot. It says it's fast lasting relief, and it certainly is. If you do have any itchiness from the eczema, it takes that away almost instantly as soon as you rub it in. So it's great in that way. It tells you the drug facts, active ingredient, hydrocortisone, 1%, and the purpose is anti-itch. Uses: temporarily relieves the itching and discomfort associated with minor skin irritations, rashes, and inflammations due to eczema. And other uses of this product should only be used under the advice and supervision of a doctor, of course, and do not use in the treatment of diaper rash. So it's for eczema specifically. Now, I was hoping I could use it on my son. My son is 18 months old, and he does have keratosis pilaris, like what I have on the back of my arms, only his is worse, and because he's a baby, it's more noticeable. It's like red and bumpy. So it says adults and children 2 years of age and older. Apply to affected area not more than 3 to 4 times daily. Children under 2 years of age, ask a doctor, and then it has the ingredients listed here. So I guess I really could ask the doctor and possibly use it on him, but it does advise over 2 years. So I definitely wouldn't use that on a baby without consulting your doctor. But I like that it has the intensive moisturizers, vitamin A, C, and E, clinically proven to moisturize for 24 hours. And as you can see, I've been using it a lot. I've only had this for like 3 weeks. I've kind of just been going a little crazy with it. And it squeezes out. Okay, I'm going to show you on my leg. So not this. This is actually a cut. This is the eczema. And it was actually a very like bumpy rash before I started using this, and this has made it so much better. And like I'm saying, the Eucrisa, the prescription cream, really didn't work well for me. This has been working so much better. And it's like literally like, I don't even, like a quarter of the price, like not even, that you would pay for this prescription. So I definitely recommend that if you guys have eczema, if you have like very severe eczema, I might not say to use it, but if you guys have what I have, a minor breakout here and there, keratosis pilaris, like it's great, and I highly recommend it. And it's accepted by the National Eczema Association, so that's also a wonderful thing as well. So I hope that you guys found my video useful on the Cortizone 10 Healing Lotion for Eczema. I think next time, because I like it so much and I've been going through it, I'll go ahead and order a larger size. I'm really happy with it. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you guys found it useful. Have a great day, everybody.